Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at your Newton crypto wallet, itching to cash out your gains, but held back by the looming question, what's the withdrawal fee? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Newton crypto withdrawal fees, answering all your burning questions and providing you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your crypto investments. Building context, before we get into the nitty-gritty of withdrawal fees, let's take a moment to understand why they exist in the first place. Crypto exchanges, like Newton, incur costs to process transactions, maintain security, and provide various services to their users. These costs are often passed on to users in the form of fees, including withdrawal fees. The basics of Newton crypto withdrawal fees. Flat fees. Newton typically charges a flat fee for each withdrawal, regardless of the amount you're withdrawing. This fee is usually a fixed amount, such as a few dollars or a fraction of a cryptocurrency unit. Variable fees. In some cases, Newton may implement variable withdrawal fees, which can fluctuate based on factors like market conditions, network congestion, or the specific cryptocurrency being withdrawn. Factors affecting withdrawal fees. Cryptocurrency. The type of cryptocurrency you're withdrawing can influence the fee. Some cryptocurrencies have higher transaction costs on the underlying blockchain network, which may be reflected in Newton's withdrawal fees. Withdrawal method. The method you choose to withdraw your funds can also impact the fee. For example, withdrawing to a bank account might incur additional fees from your bank. Network fees. In some cases, Newton may pass on network fees to users. These fees are charged by the blockchain network itself and can vary depending on network activity. Calculating your withdrawal fees. To calculate your estimated withdrawal fee, you can typically find this information on Newton's website or within the app itself. Look for a section detailing withdrawal fees or transaction costs. Some platforms may even provide a fee estimator where you can input the amount you want to withdraw and see the estimated fee. Minimizing withdrawal fees. While you can't completely eliminate withdrawal fees, there are strategies you can employ to minimize them. Consolidate withdrawals. Try to consolidate multiple small withdrawals into a single larger withdrawal to reduce the overall fees. Choose efficient cryptocurrencies. Opt for cryptocurrencies with lower transaction costs on the underlying blockchain network. Avoid peak times. If possible, avoid withdrawing during peak times when network activity is high, as this can lead to increased fees. Additional considerations. Minimum withdrawal amounts. Newton may have minimum withdrawal amounts for certain cryptocurrencies. Make sure to check the requirements before attempting a withdrawal. Withdrawal processing times. Be aware of the processing time for withdrawals. Some withdrawals may take longer than others, especially during peak times or for certain cryptocurrencies. Conclusion. Understanding Newton crypto withdrawal fees is essential for making informed decisions about your crypto investments. By knowing the factors that influence fees, calculating your estimated costs, and exploring strategies to minimize them, you can optimize your withdrawal process and maximize your overall returns. Call to action. If you have any further questions about Newton crypto withdrawal fees or need more specific information, be sure to check Newton's website or contact their customer support. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on cryptocurrencies and investing. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.